Hello everyone, welcome to part 32 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the categories module. In the last video, we have seen that we are able to show all the categories in the admin panel, okay, with active, inactive and delete functionality. And now we are going to edit the category. Okay, so we are going to work on this feature. We are going to work on the add category functionality in this video. Okay, so let's start. So let's follow these steps you can find under video description as well. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to add the link, add category link we are going to add. Okay, here in the categories blade file that is shown as cms pair. We are going to replace it with the add category. Okay, so I'm going to open the categories blade file, and here we'll make it as add category. Okay, and the URL also we are going to change, and here we are going to add category as well. Okay, so let's see that if any other CMS link must not be there in this page. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it once and we'll see that we able to upgrade. Yes, here space is coming. We're going to move this. Okay, like this. Okay, so we are going to check. Okay, so now let's see in the next step. See, this one we have already done, add edit hyphen category. Okay, that's we have already added, and after that and this one is also correct. Okay, so we are going to add its route for adding and editing the category. We are going to add its route as well in the web.php file. Here we are going to add its route as well. Okay, and now we are going to add its function in that we are going to add in the category controller for adding and editing the category. Okay, so here is the function. Okay, so right now we are just adding the basic function without any post method, just to display the add edit category form. Okay, so we are going to make this page now, add edit category page we are going to make. Okay, so this blade file we are going to create inside our XAMPP htdocs, our project name, that is the project 11, resources, views, under admin, under categories, and here we are going to add the new file. Okay, so that file name we are going to keep it as add underscore edit underscore category. So I'm going to simply save this file as txt, then rename it to blade.php, and the same thing you are going to do in your Windows laptop if you are using the Windows. Okay, so I will just bring it here. Okay, so I will open here the add edit cms page because many of the things are identical. So I'm going to just copy and will paste it here, and then I'm going to replace few of the things, like here the categories management, categories or category management, whatever what we have added here, that is the categories. Okay, categories management we are going to add. Okay, so this one we will keep it same, and finally we are going to see replace its form. Okay, so this is the form that we are going to add, category form. Okay, so I'm going to copy this form here and we'll replace this form. So I'm going to replace it with this one, like this. Okay, so now we are going to click on add category, and here you can see the add category form. Okay, so now we have the category name, category image, category discount, category URL, category description, meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Okay, so so after creating this form, then we are going to update the add category function once again, in which we are going to get the value, get the details, category details from there, and we'll update the category details. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and we'll replace this function now with this one, and here I'm going to align it as well. I will simply align it. Okay, okay, you can see now the function, and here see if the id is empty, then we are going to add category. If the id is not empty, then we are going to edit category. Okay, and if when the data is coming via post method, then we are going to upload the image as well, we are going to update the data as well. Okay, so finally we are going to return to the categories blade file, okay, with this success message. So here we are going to try this one, and use session, use image. We will also add at the top, we can add anywhere at the top. Okay, so and this success message that we are going to show in the categories blade file as well, that we can show, see, it's already there, so it's fine. Okay, so now we are going to try adding the category. Okay, so see, category level is not there right now, so only the parent category we are going to add. Like we have added so far, there are two categories. Okay, so only the parent category we are going to add, but let's wait, let's add the sidebar as well. Okay, here we are going to add in the sidebar like the categories management. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this one, or I'm going to put it before pages management. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to copy this one, or I can make it like the catalog management as well. Catalog management is generally used for the e-commerce. Okay, so that's why I can use it as the catalog management as well. Okay, so I'm going to see that if any session variable we have used so far, we have not used. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make it like the categories, and here I'm going to make it the categories management, and here also I'm going to make it the categories. Okay, like this, these categories I am going to add it here. Okay, so I'm going to check it now, and we'll see the categories management here. Okay, and with the categories, and here I'm going to check once, and also inside it we are going to replace it with these icons. Okay, so I'm going to check that this circle icons. Okay, so these are the icons, so I'm going to replace it with these one, like under categories, and here we are going to replace it with this one. Let's see if it's the correct one or not. Yes, categories, and here as well for the pages management as well, I'm going to replace it with this one. Okay, so the categories management, and inside it the categories will come, and we are going to select these categories. We are going to start the session for the categories as well. Session put, we are going to add the page, and then the categories will come. Okay, and the same we are going to add inside add edit category as well. So we can see that it must have been selected. Okay, so the categories management, so here we are going to make it catalog instead of categories, because the other one will also come up here like catalog management. Later on we can update it as well, or you can update it as per your own choice, catalog management. And after I'm going to add here products as well. Then further we will add attributes and further things. Attributes, we will not add attributes, but we will add the brands, because attributes are the part of the products only. Okay, so here we will just add the products as well, and here I'm just going to add the or condition as well for the products. Okay, so you can see the categories as well as the products. Okay, but here we are going to add like if it match with the product, then only it will highlight. Okay, so I'm going to add this condition in front of products as well, and here we are going to add here the products. Okay, so fine, now it seems to be fine here. Okay, so after categories, now we will move further and adding the category. Okay, so let's add the category now. We have right now there are three categories that we have already added: appliances and clothing, and one category we have removed, and we are going to add that category. Let's see that which category that we have removed. I'm going to check here in last part, in part 31. See, in part 30 maybe. Yeah, see the categories that are already there. It's appliances and clothing and electronics. We are going to add the electronics that we have later for testing the delete functionality in last video. So I'm going to add the electronics, and here also I'm going to make its URL as electronics. So right now I'm going to add these two fields. Let's see if we able to add. Yes, we able to add the electronics with these two fields. So here you can see the message as well: category added successfully. Okay, so we finally able to add the category here, but there is no edit button so far, so that we can able to edit, but add is working fine. So in next video we are going to work on its edit functionality as well, so please stay tuned for the next video. So that's all in this video. Okay, that is the part 32, and we able to add category in this video, you can see. Okay, so try once at your end, and if you will find any issue, you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.